Hi, I'm Craig Rowland from Sandfly Security. Today, I'm going to do a little bit more of a product plug than I normally would, but I want to talk to you about the advantages of using agentless products like Sandfly in a Linux environment. Okay, so Sandfly is an agentless Linux security bot. Basically, it is designed from the ground up just to work on Linux. It was designed from the ground up specifically to hunt for intruders. It was designed from the ground up specifically to provide the best possible forensic information in the event of an intrusion on those boxes without causing any type of compatibility or stability issue on your end systems. Now, the reason we can do that is, like I said, because we are agentless. And the difference here, a lot of people have experienced is frankly, agents cause a ton of trouble, right? When you load a piece of software in, especially a security software agent, they have all sorts of hooks into the kernel and memory structures and things like that, and they could cause a tremendous number of compatibility problems on that system. They could cause it to be unstable, they could cause performance issues, they could cause other issues relating to needing to upgrade, and this kind of balloons. So every time you need to upgrade the system, you got to think, is the kernel update going to crash the security agent, or is the security agent update going to crash the kernel? You're always fighting this kind of yin and yang of what's going to break what, and it causes a lot of trouble. Sandfly being agentless, we don't have any of these issues. You can update that system as many times as you want, and we're going to work. And not only that, because you don't need to load any software on the endpoints, you can just point our system at your Linux host, and we immediately start to work on it. You don't need to do anything on it. Now, the second phase of why agentless is a better approach for this problem is that it gives us a tactical advantage in terms of dealing with intruders. A lot of intruders today are starting to specifically target software agents to bypass or disable them. Because Sandfly does not keep an agent loaded on those endpoints, there is no agent for them to directly attack. And also, we have an anti-evasion component because Sandfly is designed to work randomly. We have random schedules with these random swarms of security checks that which we call Sandflies, that are moving around your network constantly hunting for trouble. There is no fixed schedule. It's not like 3 a.m. file integrity check. So at 2:59, the attacker pulls all their files off the file system, and when the scan's over, they dump it back on again. It's not like that at all. Sandfly is very random. You don't know when we're going to be coming down looking for trouble. So it gives us anti-evasion resistance. Second of all, when we do updates to the product, you don't need to touch every endpoint to update the software with new signatures or new security checks. It's all done right at the server and the scanning nodes. You update in one spot and boom, instantly all these other systems get that capability without you needing to touch anything. So these are some of the advantages of agentless, why we do agentless at Sandfly, and why it's a huge advantage, especially in the Linux environment where Linux is this huge umbrella term. It means a lot of things. It's everything from a Raspberry Pi to a massive database cluster up on the cloud, and they all say Linux, but they have different compatibility and stability issues and things like that. So Sandfly being agentless allows us to work across this entire spectrum. It really is an awesome product, and I know I wrote it, so I say that a lot, but it's really effective at what it does. It gives you instant visibility into Linux systems that you didn't have before. It deploys very rapidly. It won't cause stability problems, and it also is a tactical advantage in dealing with attackers that might be deliberately trying to evade you. So that's my spiel on Sandfly, why we're agentless and why it's a really good thing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my Twitter feed. We post a lot of interesting things on Linux forensics and security tips on there, and that Twitter feed is Craig H. Rowland. Thanks for watching. Bye.